Oh, I'm not ready yet. 1VT. It's a very naughty cameraman putting on the camera when I'm not ready. Thursday, the 8th of September 2022. A warm welcome to the channel. So, what secrets are they hiding at the Three Gorges Dam? And honestly, we don't know. But it is sort of suspicious. Now, about two and a half weeks ago, some of the, what we like to call the CCP shills, went to go and visit Xinjiang and the Three Gorges Dam itself. And I did show it on the channel what they went to see, but they actually showed very little of what's going on. This is one guy with a YouTube channel called Mexicanos in China. They've got about 3.8 million subscribers. I don't know where they're from, most probably China. Definitely a shill, always does the positive things, but he does do these organized tours. But if you look at the video of what he's done and what's available, they don't show much. The only picture you can see is what we showed at the very beginning. That's about it, and that I had to edit from them. So if you go to his website or his YouTube channel, guess what? There's nothing there. And he went there about 2 to 3 weeks ago. Another lady, I don't know where she's from, but she was speaking Chinese, shows some stock footage which looked like this and I don't know her YouTube channel. But another guy called Jason Lightfoot, I do know his channel. He's a little bit like Carl Pilkington from An Idiot Abroad, just so blind to everything. And well, on his website, he went there. On his YouTube channel, nothing, absolutely nothing. 3 weeks ago, his latest video is "You won't believe what China's built in the desert," some kind of propaganda stuff. So what are the secrets of the actual dam? Well, only possibly if you work for CTG, the Chinese Three Gorges Dam Corporation, you may possibly know, only at the top level. But even the secrecy within the company, I have been told that, let's say, the monitoring station 20 kilometers away, they obviously do communicate, but they don't pass on anything between what's happening at the dam and what's happening at the monitoring station unless it's vitally important. It's like a secret organization. Also in the title I mentioned about what happened in Sichuan 2 or 3 days ago, the magnitude for 6.8 earthquake there. And the aftermath, there are some videos on, and it's all calmed down. Sichuan is in an area of the world where 2 tectonic plates meet, so earthquakes are quite common. But I do have some footage of the countryside of where the actual quake happened. Now this was 10-mile deep, so that's 16 kilometer deep earthquake, so it was quite strong. And by popular demand, here's the rabbit dance. Not going to do the levels for today, but I am going to do the weather, and guess what? Yes, it looks like this. A couple more topics to go through for today. The first one is related to military training. Now, before we get there, the army in China is called the PLA, the People's Liberation Army. But I did actually watch one of my friends called Lewis Hand, and I may put the link in the description below if I can remember, saying let's have a look at some propaganda. And at the end of it, they said it's not the People's Liberation Army, it's the peace-loving army. But training starts very young. Training starts in high school. This is the beginning of the semester in China, and with that, for the first 2 weeks, high school students have to go through military training. Wonder what it looks like? Wonder no more. And the other situation happening in China is related to, once again, Xinjiang in the northwest of China. The situation with the Uyghurs and the re-educational camps. This person here is a guy from New Zealand. He works for a newspaper in Shanghai called the Shanghai Daily, surprisingly. And this is a propaganda piece from CGTN, Chinese Global Television Network, when he said he went there on a summer break and how wonderful it is. And why would they put this piece out now? Well, I can quite easily imagine it's because the report of the Uyghurs by the former UN director or human rights director just came out there, and just putting this out in the world. Notice this is all in English. There are some, let me just check, there are some Chinese subtitles there, but this is posted on Twitter. So this is one of the biggest CCP shills, and what he should be showing, what we need to know, is a picture like this. Now, away from China and here in Cambodia, many people have asked me, you keep showing pictures of Pickle, you could possibly say, because we don't know the 3-week-old kitten. What about Tokyo? Well, he is fine. He's actually getting quite tired being a mummy and daddy, but he's doing a grand job. So today was a little bit cold. When I mean cold, it's sort of like 24 degrees because it was raining this morning. And he just took a nap on the bed. Bless little Toki Woki. And for Pickle, she's doing well. I can't remember yesterday if I mentioned she did go to the vet because she did have some problems actually pooing. And we got the vet gave us some porridge, the vet gave us some vitamins, etc., and trying to take her off the baby formula or the kitten baby formula milk. Apart from that, she's fine. She's running really fast. She likes to play, she likes to bite. And the latest video you can see in the link in the description below. And many thanks to the people who have supported everything that we do with Pickle. And please do continue by clicking the super thanks on the screen right now. That would be absolutely marvelous. And that brings us to a close on Thursday, the 8th of September 2022. The launch of the iPhone 14 came out yesterday. Does it look anything that I want to buy? No, I bought the 13 earlier this year. Be good, be well, be safe. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video, and any super thanks will go to the Pickle Foundation. My name is James. This is the James Neil Cooper Show. Thank you and goodbye.